This loin was a hit at my last dinner party. Make it and impress everyone. Here I'm using 1.5 kilograms of pork loin. I'll make cuts on top where the fat is. Folks, don't cut through the meat, just halfway. Now let's transfer it to a dish. I'm using my budget-friendly oval platter. Now we'll start seasoning. Adding 2 chopped onions. I used 1 white and 1 red onion. For garlic, I used 5 crushed cloves. A bit of rosemary, used sparingly. 1 bay leaf, a pinch of oregano, a dash of black pepper. Now we'll add salt. Use 10 grams per kilo of meat. So I used about 20 grams total, a touch of smoked paprika. I also added juice from 2 oranges. Now let's mix it gently. Then add water to cover the meat. Cover with foil or plastic wrap, your choice. After that, we'll refrigerate it for 24 hours. Once marinated, let's remove the aluminum foil. Ideally, marinate the meat 12 hours on each side. This ensures even seasoning throughout. Now, we'll add bacon to each slice we've cut. Use as much as you like. Cover it with foil, shiny side down. Bake at 180 degrees for an hour. After that, take it out of the oven. Remove all the foil and return it to the oven. First, add some salt to enhance the flavor. Bake at max temp until golden brown. Look how amazing this roasted loin turns out. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Plus, it's juicy, tender, and well seasoned. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care, see you next time, and thanks.